Hello everybody, it's Kadzo with Kazoe for Africa and welcome to my channel. I am so excited to start this motivational series because I do get a lot of your emails and there are some questions where I must admit you don't even need a consultation with me. You can actually do on your own if you only get excited and motivated about the process. So hopefully this series will help you gain the confidence and give you the needed information to be able to do the work on your own. So the first video, we talked a little bit about the timeline. It's very important for you to know if you're looking for a scholarship, what exactly do you need to know in terms of timeline and when you should apply. And link in the information bar for that video so that you can be up to date with the motivational tips. Today, I'm going to cover an interesting motivational topic that can get you excited as a part of the application process. This is standardized test scores, the GRE and the Toefl. Many of you often ask, is there a way for me to pursue an opportunity without the GRE and the Toefl, and you get really stressed out about it. So hopefully after today, you're going to feel so motivated and excited about how universities look at the GRE and how they look at the Toefl. Now, the GRE is a test that determines your ability to succeed in graduate school. The Toefl is the test of English as a foreign language. Now, here's what a lot of you seem to forget. Those are just test scores. Do the test, submit all the other components of your application, and wait and see what they say. USA universities weigh your application based on everything. It's not just based on those two things, so don't stress about it. But the reason why a lot of those schools need those test scores is because you are looking for an assistantship. You are looking for a research opportunity. You're looking to get a scholarship. So give them everything that they need to make the decision. So don't despair. I know of many, many applicants, despite their GRE score, despite their Toefl score, the school has admitted them and provided a way for them to be successful. So hopefully that motivates you a little bit and doesn't let you stress out. So folks, I'll see you again.